I've been a supporter of AIER for over 20 years. The values of AIER that are disseminated through discussions that we have at the local level with the Bastiat Society chapters, people don't have another venue regularly to meet and talk about those things like individual liberties, smaller government, lower taxes, sound money. I felt like I really needed to get more involved in AIER and its programs and with the Bastiat program just to make something happen here at the local level. And quite frankly, we're having a lot of fun with it.
You are going to hear things that you don't hear on mainstream media right here in this room. You're going to read it every day on the newsletter. You're going to see it here at our monthly meetings. We encourage college students to come. We all know what's happening in the colleges today in terms of how they're trying to get them to think a certain way. I've met leaders in the community. I've met retired individuals who just want to hear things not in mainstream media. To me, it's so worth the value of an annual membership.
We encourage our members, if they have friends or acquaintances that they think might be interested, we allow our members to bring a guest at no charge just so that they can see what that's like. They come here to this beautiful setting. They hear very insightful speakers like Phil Magnus, who's speaking tonight. And it's just something that they can't get anywhere else.